I'm sure marami sa atin dito napakinggan na po natin yung goal setting. Mag-goal set tayo, mag-goal set tayo. Bakit mahalaga mag-goal setting? Any one of you who watch a basketball game, pakitaas ang mga kamay. Sino sa'yo nakapaglaro na rin ng basketball? You just imagine, you were invited to a PBA game or a LaSalle Ateneo game. All the players are there, the coaches are there, the basketball court are there, the cheering squad are all there, the audience are all there, the team players are all there, the basketball is there. Unfortunately, there are no rings and there are no goals. Walang basketball ring. Naglaro sila ng naglaro. Pagkatapos ng laro, question, may nanalo ba? Bakit? Bakit? Walang goal. Alam niyo ba? Ang daming tao, they grow through the wheel of life every single day. They wake up, after they wake up, they go to office or they go to school. After that, they go home, they sleep, they wake up, they go to work, they go to office, they sleep, they wake up. Alam mo, some people, they go through life without any goals. My question is, if you go through the mundane things of life without any goals, how would you know that you have scored if you do not have a goal in your life? One thing I learned in life is you can never be a wandering generality in life. You must be a meaningful, specific. Paano natin malalaman tayo ay magiging successful kung wala tayong goal? Paano malalaman kung hindi ka nakascore? Always remember, sino sa inyo may mga goals dito sa buhay? Magkaroon ng bahay, sasakyan, mawala ng utang. Paano lumakas nun Sino sa atin dito may mga utang pagkataas sa mga kamay? Sinong nananalangin na sana mawala ng utang nyo pagkataas sa mga kamay? Sinong nananalangin na sana mawala ng utangan nyo pagkataas sa mga kamay? Huwag muna, katabi ko pa Pwede pa natin buksan ng house lights? Thank you. If you have goals in life, goals are set to be fulfilled, not only to be dreamt. May mga iba nangangarap lang. Pero hindi naman pinapursue goal. Sana, magkaroon ako ng bahay. Sana, magkaroon ako ng sasakyan. Sana, ang sana, walang mangyayari. Ang sana, hindi nangyayari. Gusto nyo mangyari yung goals nyo, ang dapat sabihin nyo, gagawin ko. Everybody say, gagawin ko.
Gagawin ko.
Tatamaan ko.
Tatamaan ko.
Hindi ako ayaw sa negosyo to.
Hindi ako ayaw sa negosyo to.
Tama ba o mali?
Tama.
Power ba?
Power.
Grabe ba?
Power.
Who among you wants to become successful? Raise up your hands. If you want to become successful, set your goals. No one has become successful without setting a goal. Just to prove it to you, in 1953, there was a university called Yale University. They made a study out of 100 students. When they graduated, they interviewed 100 students and they realized out of 100 students, only 2% set goals. So 100 out of 100, only 2 people set goals. And after 20 years, they went back to the same students. They're already professionals, and then they realized that 2 people who set goals during the time when they graduated in Yale University were more successful than the majority who never set goals in their lives. People who set goals in their life have a more higher chance to achieve their goals in life. Just to prove you another country that really has set their goals, that's the reason why they're great as a nation, is a country of what? Japan. In the 1950s, you must just understand, the Hiroshima bomb dropped at their country. The whole country was devastated. But in the year 1950s, the whole Japanese nation set a goal and got together and said, we want to become the #1 exporter of textile in Asia. Before the end of 1950s, they became #1 exporter of textile in Asia. In the 1960s, they set another goal. They want to become the #1 steel manufacturer in the world. But we have to understand, Japan has no natural resources. They have to import ore, the raw materials from the United States, import it to Japan, and after that export it all around the world. Because they set goals before the end of 1960s, they become the #1 exporter of steel in Asia. In the 1970s, they again set another goal, that they want to become the #1 automobile manufacturer also in their country and in Asia. And because of that goal came the birth of Toyota. In the 1980s, they set another goal, that they want to become the #1 manufacture of what we call as electronic products, cassette, during those times, stereo, Walkmans, then came the birth of what? Sony. And we all know, recently, the country of Japan experienced a 9-point-something earthquake, and then tsunami came. And then several earthquakes, radioactive. If you go back right now to Japan, people are shocked. It is as if nothing happened to that country. The country is already recovered. Why? Because once they set their goals, they will do whatever it takes to achieve them. So it's very, very important for us to set goals. I always tell people, if you do not have a goal in life, you are just like a janitor. No offense meant. There was a saying that says, give me a janitor with a goal. And you know what will happen? We will make history. But give me a man without a goal, I will give you a janitor. So it doesn't really matter what's your occupation, but if you do not have a goal in life, the bad thing is, nothing will happen in our life. If we do not set plans and goals, you know what we're doing? We are setting ourselves for failure. I do believe none of us inside this room wants to fail. Would you all agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
But one thing I learned in life is this: if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. Kung di tayo nagpaplano, mag-fail tayo. Gusto mong yumaman? Yes or no?
Yes.
Kailangan mag-goal set. Ilang kakausapin? Di ba? Ilan sa prospect list mo? Ilang presentation mo per week? Ilang presentation mo per month? Kailangan naka-goal set yun. Hindi lang pwede pag feel mo, lumabas, saka mo gusto mong lumabas. Ang tanong ko, paano kung di mo feel?